baby. Can you be nice to baby Kate? Henry, do this. Henry, do your... Henry? Henry, look. Henry, look at Mama. Henry training for weightlifting. Henry, leave her in there. Henry, that's where her baby belongs. Henry? Sweetie? Hey, oh little sweetie. Hello. Hello. This is Kate. She is now 4.5 months old. She's almost 5 months old. Yeah, she's just a sweetheart. Little sweet pea. Hello. She's just a jumping. 4.5 months old. Now, August the 4th. She was born March 11th. So she's almost 5 months. Years old, almost the end of September. And he's eating a popsicle. Getting it all over him. Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry. Boo. Henry, do your weightlifting. Do your weightlifting. Lift it. Huh? Where's your lawnmower? Where's your lawnmower? Sure, give me your lawnmower. Come on, let's go cut the lawn. Let's go cut the grass. Cut the grass. Come on, let's go cut the grass. Cut the grass. You want to go cut the grass? Okay, cut the grass. Good. You cut the grass. Up. Okay, cut the grass. Brum, 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 brum. Grass. Brum, brum.
doing down there? Henry, what are you doing?
Great like that. I love them. I love them well done.
Henry. Henry.
What'd you do? Jump in?
No, I don't know what he's doing. Pointing to the tractor or the ball over there? Oh, the tractor. Henry, what are you pointing at? Henry, what are you doing? You going to the pool, Henry? You want to go in the pool?
Can you get in with him?
No, he's gone in though. Go in the pool, Henry. Go in the pool. You can climb in there. It's alright, you can climb in there. Climb in, Henry.
Oh, boy. Yeah. I've had the heater on for 2 days.
Oh, really? You're okay, Henry. Go out there. Yeah.
Another step there, Henry. Another step. There's another step.
Happy birthday, dear Maddie. Happy birthday to you.
Gotta make a wish.
Wish. And we gotta blow this one.
Lovely. Oh,
We got
no,
another
there's
one.
two
Oh,
cakes.
Charlie,
Baby
blow the
cake,
chocolate
this
one.
cake.
Oh, well,
boy,
let's try somebody else blow it. He's had it. Come on, you two blow.
Cake, you guys.
Blow the cake,
Blow the cake.
Allison.
Oh,
Oh,
boy.
get your hat in there.
Oh, Allison, there's one
Allison's
for
just doing
you.
it well. You don't want to blow it.
Oh,
No, back to you, Charlie.
We're going back to
Yay!
Just started.
Happy birthday. There we go. Yay, I
Judy's
Judy can go in the area.
And Joni.
Hi, Greg. Oh, Greg, I hooked my car.
Birthday woman. Henry, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Henry? Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy. A bug? Henry, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Henry. What are you doing, Henry? What are you doing? Henry, why are you crawling?
Apple with you. Henry, give Grandpa a kiss.
Papa's right there. Give Grandpa a kiss.
Henry, give Grandpa a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Give him a kiss.
Give Grandpa a kiss.
Give Grandpa a kiss, Henry.
I'm
Hey,
your
Henry,
pal.
give Henry a kiss.
I'm your pal.
Give Henry a
Henry. Oh, great. How was Southampton?
Oh, it's lovely. We had a lot of fun. We had a good day. Weather was good
I was
yesterday.
going to say, I thought it would be chilly. For attention.
Henry, is that baby Kate?
Ray, and have you showed Ray you give Kate a kiss? Give him a kiss. That's Daddy.
Give Kate a kiss.
That's very sweet. That's very, okay, here we go. Ooh, yeah, nice little beach it. Ooh, yeah. Swing her, sister. Swing out, sister.
Be nice, Henry.
Hey. You mean well, I know, but
Be nice.
that's a little bit of a rock. Be nice.
Erica's home funniest videos or whatever.
Yeah. He is so thrilled with babies. When they're this close together, that's one thing. The older one is so excited about babies. First thing he doesn't get that baby.
Henry, be nice.
Henry, be gentle.
Henry, you're smushing her.
This morning the converter went right between the eyes.
Be nice, Henry.
Because when I'm not paying attention to him, he gets jealous. So he thinks if he hits her, that way I'll pay attention to him.
Henry,
When I do,
be
I
nice.
go to him, you know? Doesn't that make sense?
Hi, Winnie.
Henry,
How you doing?
hey, where's the ball? Go throw the ball. Go get your ball.
Give Winnie a
Go get your
kiss,
ball.
Henry. Henry, give Winnie a kiss.
Go get your ball.
Henry, give Winnie a kiss.
Go get your ball. Go get your ball.
You don't want to give Winnie a kiss, Henry?
Go find your ball, Henry.
Henry, be nice.
Had enough of her. Poor baby. How's Gilbert?
I was in Loblaws at lunchtime, and
The other day?
antagonite, and I barely had enough cash to reach for my wallet.
Sounds like
And
me.
then, but it was so embarrassing because all of a sudden
Where's Henry going?
behind me someone goes, "You lend you some money, O'Reilly?" And it was Bob and
so cute.
it was Bob and Jill and their little baby. And when I waited, so he is 15. He's 15, due born April 15th or something, so a month
Right.
after.
So not much different.
Yeah.
He's probably bigger.
And this is Bob. He's a really good baby.
Ultra.
Where's Henry going?
Beautiful. So they're having a ton of fun. They just look really happy. Because Bob gets days off during the weekend. So Tuesday, they get to get Tuesday.
Because Jane, it happened. Oh, that is so sweet. No, this is what they did all day long, right? He used to put mud. When did you sit there? This is so great that he gets to steer away. We're not as excited to see you as we are to see Winnie.
Oh no!
It's true, you can leave anytime. Oh, sweet. He gave her a kiss. Give her a kiss on the nose. There's the dirt. Put the dirt on him. Winnie's amazing. Unbelievable dog that she would take all the abuse.
Ride him, cowboy! She likes it kind of though.
Yeah, it's true. Henry, give Winnie a kiss. Want to give Winnie a kiss? Goggy. She goes goggy. Henry's like an old man. He's all the time. We repeat 10 times. Henry, where you going? To the garbage?
You share this driveway
Henry, come here, push Kate towards Daddy. Push Kate towards Daddy. Whee! Push. Push. Keep pushing. Whee! Into the horsey. Keep pushing Kate into the horsey. Whoa! Into the horsey. Be nice. Be nice to baby. No, be nice. Henry. Henry, be nice to Kate. Be nice to baby Kate. Be nice. Henry, no. Henry, no. Come on. Now give baby Kate a push. Henry, be nice to her. Henry, no. No. What happened to baby Kate? Where's baby Kate?
It is now September the 13th of 94, and Henry is going to be, Henry's going to be 2 years old a week Sunday. He's almost 2. We have a new house here in Buffalo. There's Henry. He's so sweet. He's just growing up so fast and everything. Sexual motion. One concern is on his grandfather's side. His grandfather's side. He had a haircut at a barber shop. He was a little too short, but he's still so sweet. That's Kate pointing at the camera, so. Hi, Henry.
Did you say hi to Mama? Hi, Baba. Say hi, Mommy. Yeah.
Hi, Henry.
You say hi to baby Kate? You say baby Kate?
Yes.
Dad? Kate. Kate, yeah, that's right. Henry, what's a horse say? Nay. What's a kitty cat say? What's a doggy say? Whoa, that's right. What's a cow say? Moo. What's a goose say? What's a goose say?
This is the best one.
What's a goose
Not
say?
honk honk, but beep
Beep
beep.
beep, honk honk. What's a crow say?
How many Easter bunnies does the Easter eggs does the bunny have?
Yes. How many Easter eggs does a bunny have? You know how many? Ooh, that's a cow.
Hi, Henry.
Baby! Look at baby. What? That's baby Kate.
It's camera. Hi, Henry. Henry, look at. Hi.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Okay, don't, please.
Bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Mommy. The boss.
Oswald. This is just a little pea. Look at it, she's just like Henry. Hi, baby. Hi, baby Kate. Hi, sweetie. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hi, sweetie. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Just my brother. Just like a brother. Just like a brother. Hey, she's yawning. Oh, he's good. Hey, sweetie.
Two. Look at the balloons. Well, Henry, what do you think? Do you like the birthday cake? Mmm. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah, some. That's Daddy's fork. You want to have some? Yeah, it could be Henry's fork. Ooh, there's some cake. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth, Henry. Ooh, chocolate. Look at the cake, Henry, on your fork. Look at the cake on your fork. Put it in your mouth. Do you like it? Is it good? Mmm. Mmm.
I can help you. I can make something easier for you.
Small fork?
Yeah.
Let's see mommy with Kate on her. Maybe there's mommy and baby Kate.
Look, here's a smaller fork for you.
Oh, mommy carrying Kate like she always does. Hi, Kate. Hi, Kate.
That's good, eh?
Kate, you say hi? Hi, Kate. Kate. Hi, Kate.
Here's your fork.
Hi, Kate. Yeah, it's a big smile.
She's smiling because she's holding on.
There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Thought we'd take a piece over to Mark and he could give us.
Yeah.
I know it's not very nice cake, but they might eat it.
Daddy.
After you open a present.
Hi, Daddy. What?
That's what Goose does.
What's a what? Henry, what's a goose do? Beefy, yeah, honk honk.
Henry, do you love your mommy?
Yeah. Do you love mommy?
Henry, do you love your daddy? Do you love daddy?
Do you love
Do you want
daddy?
any more cake?
More cake? Mmm.
No.
No?
Want to open your present? Your birthday present? Let's open your birthday present. Yeah, open that up, Henry.
Yeah, let's see what's inside there.
Open it.
What's inside?
Yeah, open that up.
What's inside?
Yeah. It's Henry's birthday.
What's inside, Henry? Henry, did you have fun on the pony ride and the spacewalk out in the front yard, huh? Yes.
That was
Did
fun
you,
of it on the
did
car.
you have fun on the pony ride? Yeah.
What's that? A choo-choo train.
Who's that from? Barbie.
Nana.
It's from Nana.
That's from Nana.
Choo 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 choo. Yeah, you want to eat it?
No.
Oh, Kate has a mustache. Hi, Kate. Nice mustache. Hiya, Kate.
Well, just put it in for her mom having a mustache.
Yeah, Mommy's got one too. Mommy's got facial hair. Little Kate. Yes, it's not your birthday. You're only 6 months old. Okay, Henry. Why don't you put the tape inside the cake?
Okay, next one.
What else you want to open up? Oh, Henry, look. Open that present up. What's inside of there? What's in there? Yeah, it looks like Mommy wrapped that one with surgical tape.
And it's a white thing.
Oh, open it up. What's in there? What's inside there? He has chalk on his hands, so if
I don't know if he does anymore though.
it's clothing.
It is clothing. It's all gone.
Oh, it's a sweater for Henry. Oh, it's a sweater for Henry. It's
Look
nice.
at that. That's very nice, actually, eh? Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. That's Henry. That's a sweater.
Okay,
And
take it away from now.
Here's a card for you.
Okay, take this sweater away from him. Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
That's nice. Whee, over there.
Okay, Marshall,
Okay.
will be exciting for him because that one's a clothes, you can tell.
Henry, what's in here? Oh, what's that?
Dear Greg and Jane, it was great to see you last week, and although it was lots of work, but I'm really glad that part of the process is over. Jim and I came home on September 15th, and I'm pleased to be here, even though it means a stack of mail. Purchases in Ireland, couldn't resist and hope it fits, because it was wool and it will have to lie hand washed in cold water. Hope that wasn't that much of a pain. Hope that's not much of a pain. Hope it was pain. Thanks to all you both did. My love, Mom.
Yeah? Let's open that up. Whee! What's that? A hot dog? It's a hot dog?
Oh, I love the way it's that. Oh, it's no hockey jersey she got from that they used to wear when they were little.
Oh, hockey. It's a hockey
nice,
shirt.
Henry.
Hockey.
That's a hockey shirt,
It's a
Henry.
hockey sweater.
To Henry.
Yeah,
For
hockey.
you, yeah. We should put it on, go over there. Show them.
Yeah.
Okay, to Henry. To Henry.
That is nice.
Give him books also.
What's this, Henry? It's a book.
To Henry. Let go. Happy birthday, Henry. It's great to be two. Have fun. Lots of love. Marcia, Jack, Jeff, Steve, and Doug.
That's nice.
Very nice. Oh, she's amazing.
What is it?
Oh, wow.
Spot goes to the circus.
Oh, Marcia, you're amazing.
Spot goes to the
Have
circus.
you seen my ball?
Spot's
over
first
there.
walk.
Monkeys, catch it. Hooray. Butterfingers.
Oh, Henry, that's
At
great.
last, Spot has found his ball.
Spot.
There. So sweet of her. How does she know that?
Oh. Spot goes for a walk.
President's Day.
What?
This is President's Day.
Yeah. Spot goes for a walk.
Close.
Spot goes for a walk.
That's a bar.
Who's... Here's Cardi. Here's Cardi. Spot.
Happy birthday. Love to Henry from Nana and Grandpa.
What is it, Henry? Oh, what is it?
PJs.
Pajamas.
Those are some clothes for Henry.
Pajamas.
Pajamas for Henry. For when he sleeps.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
you got
right.
chocolate on them,
Oh,
Marty.
sleepy, that's right. Sleepy. Oh, sleepy. That's when you're sleepy. Yeah, for Henry.
Is that for Sleepy?
Next one. She needs a price on my mom said that she should
That's nice. We'll wear those tonight when we go to bed. Whoop. Okay, Henry, what's this? Another present. Another present.
There's Spotty. Oh, that's wonderful. Watch the cake over there.
What's that, Henry?
Oh, that is really cute. Look
What
at
is that?
Henry. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Henry, the clothes
oh,
horse.
that's cute.
That's big.
Cutie. It's not, it's just the hood looks big.
Oh, pants look long.
Cute though, eh?
Henry, yeah, that's nice.
That's Henry's pants.
Yeah, pants for Henry. Yeah, it's for you when you go to walks. Whee! That's it. Airplane. Bye-bye, Henry. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Bye. Ah! Do it again.
Years old. Henry Edwards. No fear. Henry fell down. Henry fell down.
Do it again. Henry, Henry. What? What are you doing, Henry?
Go up.
Henry. Up. Go up. Up. Hi, Kate. Hi, Mommy. Mommy and Kate. Henry. 1, 2, 3.
You're funny.
1, 2, 3. Whee! Do it again, Henry. Do it again. Uh-oh. Here comes Henry. Woo! Whee! Oh, big start. Oh! Oh, here comes Henry, big start! Woo! Henry. Henry.
Henry, do you love Mama? Henry, do you love Mama?
No.
Henry, do you love Mommy?
Do you love mommy?
Do you love Mommy? Do you love baby?
Here comes Henry again.
Go, Henry!
Come on, Henry.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! Boom!
Whoa. Baby Kate, you like that?
You've seen it before.
Oh. Yeah. What? The grass? You want to go cut the grass?
Man, Paula, see where my fingers are up top?
Yeah.
You push it, it will say telephoto, and then wide is the other one. Hi, Owen. Now I'm telephoto. I'm right at his face. Hi, sweetie. Hi. What a sweetheart. Now I'm going wide. Now I'm getting the whole tree. Hello. And Brita's down there, too.
Hi, Brita and Owen. You in the movies? Where are you going in that fancy car?
We're going home.
Whose car is it? It's a pretty smile you've got on your face. Close the door, Owen. Start your engines. And off they go. Bye. Say your goodbyes. Wave, Owen. Turn this way. Owen? Hi, when you grow up, what are you going to drive? You're going to drive that, or are you going to drive a fire car? You're bouncing up and down there, son. And you're standing up there. Be safe. Be safe. Bye. I'm taking a movie, Owen. Even if you're sad face, what happened, Owen? Why so sad? Did you get a boo-boo?
by your nose and your mouth?
Are you feeling a little better now? Well, these little chicken pox marks come out when you get upset.
Owen, do you think we should go for a little ride? Does that make you feel better?
What kind of ride?
On a bicycle? What do you need to wear on your head, Owen? Your helmet.
You do what? Bicycle? Go for a ride? Maybe after dinner we could all go for a ride.
Well, it's always late after dinner and dark.
Maybe we could eat an early snack. Maybe we could order out there since there's so much going on.
And since we have so much money, we just load it.
Take a movie at the garage.
I was going to, but they said, not a good idea. It's never happened.
The rules say neighbors behind us have it. As long as they've been here, pretty much the rules always is. For 37 years.
Wow.
Oh, here too? Me too. Oh my.
You did a boo-boo?
Oh, what's that? Hey? That. You better now? You need a tissue?
Hi.
Any more garbage?
Sure. Just a minute. Estelle, you've been in school for 5 weeks. Tell me, how do you like first grade?
Good.
Gesundheit. Who's your teacher?
Mrs. England.
And what sorts of new things have you done this year?
I go to the library.
You went to the library?
Yeah.
Anything else fun and exciting that's happened in first grade?
I went to the school library.
Wow, that's nice. Have you ever bought your lunch?
Yeah.
How did that go?
Good.
What did you have?
Kitty was not expecting.
Are you going to feed her? What's your kitty's name? Mally. Kind of nice to have a friend like Mally around every day, isn't it? Okay, would you like me to feed Mally this morning? Okay. Have a good day.
That one is in the movie. It's in there.
Once you get home.
He's not coming.
He's not coming? He gave you all the change?
Yeah, look.
Who's this from?
The chicken man.
The chicken man.
$2 and all that.
And what do you have, Owen?
Look.
Okay, Rita, go down and get the other slip. Bye. Okay, stop right there. You're too close. I can't get your picture. Yeah. Okay, that was fun. Do a cartwheel for me, Isabel. Hey, great.
Let me do another.
Okay, real Lots of power behind it. Yes, just like a wheel. And here comes Anna doing a somersault. And Britta's up next. A cartwheel somersault. And here goes Andrew. A forward roll. Hey, Chris does a fancy. Whoa, a double one. Okay. I've got you right in my limb. Woo, I lost you. Here comes Andrew. Hey, what do you call that? A spinner.
Did you see?
Yeah, I sure did.
Mom, watch me.
Woo!
Mom, watch this.
Everybody's dropping like
Watch
flies.
this.
I'm watching. And hopping around.
I touched my toe, and then I jumped and spinned around because that's called swiveling.
Oh. Woo!
Mom, watch me.
It's not mine, Mary. Jane let me borrow it. But it says, please check my battery, and I don't have anything to check it with.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
No. I have one. He's putting you on a little tape.
Okay, Chris. Do your thing. I'm waiting. Woo! Whoops, I can't find you, Isabel. Yeah, whoops, you're a little too close. Yeah. What are you doing out here so early in the morning?
Waiting for the bus.
Waiting for the bus? You mean you take the bus?
Yeah, but Mom.
Is it coming? Stand up tall. I can barely see you. What kind of special day, though, are we going to have tonight? What? Grandma. Which grandma?
Your mom.
My mom, the kissing grandma. Okay, well, you have a fun day at school. Do you see the bus?
No, but I hear it.
You hear it? Hi, Brita.
Hi.
How are you this morning?
Good.
Kind of a nice day out. Not raining.
I know. Can you show Belle the movie?
Not this morning. You don't really. Another time. I have to make it onto a bigger tape so that it fits in our machine. Well, I'm going to sign off.
I saw a light. The bus. I saw a light. Yellow light. Car. Oh.
The car coming?
Can I see?
Yeah. Whenever we get a little anxious or nervous, we start to get cold.
Oh, this is freezing. That's cool.
That's plenty of water. It'll be too heavy to use.
There's none in the other. I'll put some in the other.
Oh, double bucket. Lots of room, huh? Are you the leaf picker-upper? Don't forget what you're doing.
It's falling still.
Okay, keep going. Make your stew.
No, I'm carrying the water tonight. Here. Free, quick. It's blue.
You know what? I just collected these, so you collect some others.
Free. No.
Yeah,
That's a weak bucket. I know it.
Oh, it's leaking. That's right.
That's a weak one.
It is. It's leaking all by your feet, honey.
It's weak. I know. Come on, let's get.
Hi, Nellie.
Let's take it to a Millie. Free, quick.
recording your temper. Let's see a nice face on camera. Well, what an actress you are. You remind me of Shirley Temple. Hey.
Put your head down, Kevin.
Is it on?
See the top of it?
There's no red light.
Now it's on.
Here's my Irish blessing and my Irish hat from Nana. And we're
And
all
what occasion is
sitting
this?
around on my birthday. Rita, that's not safe. You better come over here. I have my two girls, Eagle girl, and Grandma, here,
AKA Grandpa.
always.
Hi, Owen. Okay, Dad, we'd like you to read the Irish blessing again.
Okay.
In the same manner as before.
May the road rise up to meet you, the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, the rain fall soft upon your fields, and until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. Oh, what?
Oh, the tag is still on there.
Oh, the tag. Let's read the tag. Hannah Haas of Donegal Limited. Our heritage. Perhaps it is our location at the mouth of Donegal Bay, nestling at the foot of the Blue Stack Mountains. With
Frida,
the river
can you move out of
flows
Owen's
into the
way?
Atlantic Ocean, with the rugged Donegal countryside reflecting the natural colors of a beautiful land.
The week before Christmas, Henry Edwards.
We gotta wait for Daddy to finish filming it first. Okay, hold on.
1994. I forgot a Christmas tree up.
Wait, let Henry go. Hold on.
Okay. It's fine on the floor. Henry!
Henry? You gotta let Daddy build it.
Hi, Henry.
Can you say hi, Mommy? Hi, Mommy. Can you say hi, Santa? Can you say hi to Baby Kate? You're just a funny little boy. Okay, I guess the fork's not gonna happen, huh?
Henry.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm too.
What?
Yes, you do. Do you love Mommy? Yes, you do.
Henry, give Daddy a kiss.
No. You do.
What's your name? What?
What's your name? Henry, yeah.
You dancing, Henry? You dancing? Night night, Henry. Night night. Night night. Yeah, you go night night? Night night. Knees blanket? His knees blanket. Night night.
Christmas 94.
Open it? What's in there? Open it up.
And he's opening up something from Daddy.
What's in there? Open up.
And making sure Kate doesn't fall off the couch.
What is it? Who is it? Mickey Mouse.
Oh, look. Sweatshirts? That's sweet. You made those. That's sweet.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Mickey Mouse.
That's a perfect gift.
Henry, what's that?
Lucy Gray? Oh, wow. Henry, yay.
And this is for Henry, Mickey Mouse.
That's neat. Greg, I'm just sorry, but I don't know what you do when you're not looking.
Baby almost went out.
That was recorded. That's recorded. That's just, what happens when we don't watch Kate. She falls on our head. We lose her forever.
Henry.
And just look at our tree. Christmas tree. I know, but my Scotched out husband over there.
What is it? Yeah. Hey, turn the light up over there, would you?
Okay, I'm just going to put boxes in there.
Turn that light over there behind you. Behind you. Turn him on. Yeah. Huh, Henry? Well, Henry, what about this present over here? Look. This one over here. It's a present for Henry. Henry, look. What's his present, Henry? Hen? Hey, what about this? Can you grab it? Pop! Here you go, Henry, look. Grab it. Keep taking the paper off, yeah? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What is it? Oh, what's that? See him?
Tools, like Daddy's tools. Look, here's another one. Boy. Yeah, those are tools, Henry. There are more tools, I think.
More. Go look at more.
Open up the rest of the tools.
Henry, more. Over here.
There are more tools.
More.
There's more tools. In there, in the box. Look at the box.
Let's take Henry.
Mama, can I help you?
Oh, shoot. Oh, darn it. Henry.